Welcome back to MD's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a flow on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a Salesforce workflow is a straightforward process and can be done to multiple ways, especially using the Flow Builder interface. But the thing is, you have to realize that over time, your organization may have created multiple flows to achieve similar or identical functionality. So obviously, deleting redundant flows helps streamline your processes and reduce confusion among others. Now, once you are here, I need you to hover to the Sales app and I want you to type in flow. And from here, we're not going to deal with the flow versions. We are going to have a separate video about flow versions, but for now, click on flows. Now, you haven't had anything yet, so if you haven't already, just click on new. Let's add a new flow here. So we can start from scratch, select our automation type and start building on a new empty canvas. Let's use a template so it's a lot easier. Now here, maybe create a case, click on create. All right, after that, maybe click on save. On this one, maybe, I don't know. All right, and click on save. We're gonna make it short and very quick. After saving, we're going to delete this flow. All right, so let me skip that for now. Okay, now for example, you're not happy with the flow that you have recently created. All you're gonna do, let's click on this one. You have an option here, delete. It's a very simple and a straightforward process because remember, unused like this draft right here or outdated flows can pose security risks if they are not regularly maintained or updated. And by deleting such flows, it reduces the attack surface and helps maintain compliance with the internal security policies and regulations. And once you are happy or decided to delete this flow entirely, click on delete. All right. And the thing is, when deleting a Salesforce workflow, you have to know that it's important to review its impact on related processes and consult with stakeholders to ensure that its deletion does not disrupt any critical operations. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.